Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a super quick and easy method to create a bootable USB for Acronis, using the Acronis Rescue Media Builder. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and launch the Acronis software. Now click on Tools, and then hit Rescue Media Builder. Nice and simple. Next, choose your creation method, and select the Simple method to create your bootable media. Now plug in your USB drive. As soon as you insert it, it's going to appear right here on the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now check this option. Remember, it will erase all data on the USB, so make sure you've backed up anything important. After that, click Proceed, sit back, and let the process complete. And there you go. Your Acronis bootable USB is ready. Super fast, super easy, and you're all set. All right, after your bootable USB is ready, go ahead and restart your PC. As soon as your system starts, enter the boot menu. Press F9 for HP devices and F12 for Dell devices. You'll now see our bootable USB listed under UEFI, or Legacy. In my case, it's under UEFI USB. Perfect. Hit Enter on the UEFI USB option, and there you go. The Acronis setup has launched successfully. Now, from here, you can create a backup or recover one from your available setup. If you've already created a backup and you have that file in TIB format, click on the Recover option. But if you want to create a fresh backup, select the Backup option from here. And that's it. We've successfully created a fully working Acronis bootable USB using Rufus. If you want to learn how to create backups and how to recover them using the Acronis tool, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit like, click subscribe, and if you're facing any issue at all, let me know in the comments. I'll help you out. See you in the next one.